Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to recover deleted photos in mobile. It is very easy. Sometime by mistake some photos are deleted by us, so it can easily be recoverable. Go to photos. So first of all I have this photo. If I delete this, now I want to recover this photo. So simple, go to your mobile album and click on the recently deleted to your photo. Let's see, the photo is here. So it is very easy to recover deleted photos in your mobile phone. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.